Hello everyone. Today we'll show you how to set up a vertical screen orientation for the Android operating system. The YY3568 motherboard utilizes the Rockchip RK3568 chipset platform, default text, equipped with a quad-core 64-bit Cortex-A55 processor, with a maximum clock speed of 2 GHz. The motherboard integrates a dual-core GPU and an efficient NPU, providing exceptional performance. Its functional interfaces are abundant, and it has powerful multimedia capabilities, suitable for applications in the IoT, industrial control, smart transportation, and other fields. Additionally, it demonstrates unique advantages in lightweight artificial intelligence applications. The Android source code for the YY3568 motherboard, when compiled by default, results in a landscape screen orientation. To change it to a vertical screen, first, navigate to the top level directory of the Android source code. We set the screen to a columnar DSI display. In the RK3568F1 for V10 DTS file, select the screen with the identifier DCO. This is the file path relative to the source code. Next, in the YY3568.mk file, set the primary display to DSI. Then, in the _board_config.mk file, set the screen rotation. The number 0 represents landscape orientation, and 270 indicates a 270-degree rotation, which corresponds to portrait orientation. Finally, in the RK3568VP1 DSI010 for X768 DCI file, set the touch rotation. 911 is for landscape screen, 9110 is for modifying the screen settings. After making the changes, recompile the source code, load the compiled image or flash it into the development board. Through the above steps, you can successfully change the screen orientation of the YY3568 device from touchscreen to portrait mode.